a big long line of cars coming to get our stuff we're bringing them. I'm gonna go over here and see about this restaurant, and I come across all this rubbish. It's pushed up along the side of the street for now. They had a lot of water and wind, no doubt. The restaurant's right up here. I'm gonna go grab me something. We're gonna be here for the night, so might as well hunker down and enjoy the beautiful weather. These cars are just forever, which is a good feeling. You know, that's why we're doing this. All these cars are coming to get the stuff we brought, so that's a good thing. Now we're about 2 miles, almost 3 miles from the ocean here in Naples, and you can see water, evidence that water is pushed all the way up here off of this small little lake, I guess I would call it. So that's about 3 meters. Hey buddy, what you got? You need anything? Need any water or MREs? Aw, you're a friendly little guy. Yeah. Well, just about reach down and grab your neck. Probably hungry. I don't know. So let me pet it. Hi. Hi, buddy. Ouch. Am I in your way? Okay. Well, I got no food on me, buddy. That was weird. He was a friendly little duck. He'd probably be traumatized. I had no food on me. It's beautiful out here. I'm just waiting to unload. This is the traffic that's been steadily coming. It was completely full yesterday of cars. They're coming in to get their free MREs and water and ice, and I think they have some meals also. So it's steady, it's not moving very fast, which means they're not getting rid of too many supplies. They got rid of a lot of supplies yesterday, probably about over 100 pallets of different things. But today it's moving slowly because people are probably back to work. So I don't know how long we'll be out here, but we're parked over there and they're not going to be able to do any unloading until after they close the park for the people to come get food and water and stuff till 6:30 tonight. So I don't know, a little bit of hurry up and wait. I like to be busier than this, but I guess I should enjoy the downtime. I'm getting paid for it, so just gonna check up here and see what's going on. just had to make a pretty hairy blind-sided back. This guy here in the Swift didn't make that turn. They've got us U-turning around. This is the kind of crap that goes on when there's not clear instructions. But thank God I turned around. It's just a mess out here, man.
Turn.
See how close I got to getting stuck right here. That was all in the mud. I was able to pull out. I had my tandems pulled all the way up. Even though I'm heavy as hell with all this water, at least I was smart enough to pull my tandems up to make those turns in that neighborhood. But that Swift truck didn't make it at all. I guess that's where they're gonna have us drop off. We'll see. This is one big cluster, I can tell you that. Well, they're backing them up. Looks like they're dropping them off. That's a good thing. I don't know where the trucks are going after this. There might be a fueling station right there. That would be good. Yeah, it looks like I might be able to get fuel there. I don't know. But the trucks are bobtailing out of here, so that's be fine with me. Yikes, what a mess. That's what I'm carrying, water. Water goes there. That's the boat. There you go.
Turn right on 20th Street West.
What a mess. And portable showers. Could have used one of those this morning. Okay, yo, I made it back to Orlando today. Today was stressful. All in all, I'm back here. So the APU, I checked in and they said, go ahead, do your 10-hour break and then go get your APU fixed. Then we'll see you back here in the active duty line. So I was grateful that they treated me like a truck driver who had an issue. So I'm glad that they just told me to do that. So that's good. So I'm gonna get me some sleep, go to that, there's a Thermo King about 10 minutes from here. And I called them, they said they can take a look at me and see what they can do. I'll probably be there all day. But at the end of the day, I needed to get that taken care of because the truck doesn't charge when the APU doesn't kick on to recharge the battery. And I've had to turn it on and charge it for a little bit and then get the air conditioning running. Tonight's been actually really cool tonight, so I think it'll be fine. Anyway, I'm beat. I'll keep you guys posted, but I dropped my load off in the Fort Myers area because I didn't need it in Naples, and then I bobtailed back and I finally found a place for fuel. I went to Walmart and got some food and some items because I think we're going to be here a while. It doesn't look like it because there's only some spots that I could see off the main road that looked really bad, but that's not where the damage is. It's interesting. It was stressful today. I almost got stuck. You'll see it in the video. And that poor Swift guy, there's no way he was going to make that left turn. And I knew I wasn't going to, and I wasn't going to try it, but he was ahead of me, and he tried it and went right in the ditch and blocked the whole road off. Then I had to blindside do a T-turn, and I almost got stuck. And this truck, old Casper pulled me out, and I had all my tannoys were all pulled up, so all the weight of all this water, this load was heavy because it was just water, and anybody who drives knows water's heavy. Man, this truck was just bouncing up and down. I had stuff shaking all over the truck. I found it was a mess. And there was an old man in a pickup truck in front of me watching this whole thing, waiting for me to get out of the way, and I almost was stuck. But old Casper pulled me out, so I was grateful for that. All right, I'll keep you guys posted. This is day 3.